नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself Dr. Aarti Purohit, Associate Professor, Department of Pathology, Faculty of Homeopathic Sciences, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Our today's topic of concern is coronavirus. A group of spherical or pleomorphic enveloped RNA viruses carrying petal and club-shaped papillomas on their surface has been classified as coronavirus. Corona means crown, resembling the solar corona. It has been classified in the family Coronaviridae with two genera, Torovirus and Coronavirus. The coronavirus, there seems to be two serogroups of human coronaviruses. Coronaviruses of domestic animals and rodents are included in these two groups. There is a third distinct antigenic group which contain the avian infectious bronchitis virus of chickens. The novel coronavirus recovered in 2003 from the patients with severe acute respiratory syndrome, that is SARS, appears to represent a new group of viruses. Human coronavirus. The coronavirus infection in humans usually remain limited to the upper respiratory tract. The human coronavirus cause common cold and have been implicated in gastroenteritis in infant. Inoculation in human volunteers induces common cold after an incubation period of 2 to 5 days. The resulting immunity is poor and reinfections can occur even with the same serotype. This appeared to be the second most common cause of common cold, particularly in winter, next only to rhinoviruses. The coronavirus are suspected of causing some gastroenteritis in humans, but the agent have not been isolated. The lab diagnosis includes the viral isolation. Nasopharyngeal washings are used for the isolation of virus. Human coronaviruses can be cultured in human fecal tracheal organ culture. Some strain may grow on monolayer of diploid human embryonic fibroblast with minimum cytopathic effects. Demonstration of antigen. ELISA test is used for detection of coronavirus antigen in respiratory secretions. Next is the antibody detection. Antibody in serum may be detected by ELISA. Animal coronavirus. Coronaviruses are established agent of diarrhea in calves, piglet, dogs. Coronavirus have been observed in human feces, also sometime in large number, but their significance is not known. Severe acute respiratory syndrome. In November 2002, Guangdong province in South China experienced an outbreak of an unusual respiratory infection with many deaths. The world outside knew about it only in February 2003, when a physician from Guangdong visited Hong Kong, fell ill and died there after infecting 12 persons who have stayed in the same hotel. They in turn went to their separate countries to fall ill and initiate the outbreak there. A coronavirus was found in the respiratory secretions of the patient, identified by electron microscopy and confirmed by growth in vero cell culture. Animal inoculation, cloning, sequencing, and histology. The molecular and serological tests for rapid diagnosis were developed. This appears to be a new virus distinct from other coronavirus, which had been classified into three types: mammalian virus in type 1 and 2, and avian virus in type 3. The new SARS virus come coronavirus type 4. It can be recombinant of some animal and human virus. Causative agent. It has been suggested that the causative agent isolated be designed Urbani SARS associated coronavirus in memory of Dr. Carlo Urbani, who identified the new epidemic, initiated early steps for its control, and died of it within a month. Mode of infection: SARS spread by inhalation of the virus present in droplet or aerosols of respiratory secretions of patient. Fecal aerosols may also be infectious. Clinical features include the incubation period is under 10 days. The disease starts as fever with cough or other respiratory symptoms. The outbreak of SARS was characterized by serious respiratory illness, including pneumonia and progressive respiratory failure. The diarrhea is sometimes seen, and chest radiograph shows mnemonic changes. Death is due to respiratory failure. Clinical lab diagnosis includes specimens of nasopharyngeal swab or aspirate through swab. Stool specimen may be collected for lab diagnosis. Serum is used for antibody detection. PCR, reverse transcriptase PCR, has been used for early diagnosis. Viral culture is clinical specimen can be cultured on vero cell lines. Serology, demonstration of rise in titer of antibody by ELISA or indirect immunofluorescent test is paired serum samples are useful there. However, for early diagnosis, PCR is preferred. Treatment, no specific therapy or prophylaxis has been identified. The virus is highly mutable and so vaccine prophylaxis may not be easy. Control has been achieved by strict isolation and quarantine. However, Rebavirin and steroid have been shown to be useful in treatment of critical patients. This is my reference. I hope you all enjoy this session. If any queries there, please mention it in comment box. Thank you so much. Take care.